Hello everyone. In the last class we were studying about lines and angles and we solved some of the problems in lines and angles. Let us continue with some more problems. So today's problem is like this. It is there in the exercise. Maybe second question. XY and MN intersect at O. XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 and A is to B are in the ratio 2:3, find C. I hope you understood the question. XY and MN intersect at O. Angle POY 90. Whenever angle POY 90, angle POY is 90. Therefore, angle POX is also 90. A and B are in POX. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 90. Right? So, I can say A plus B is equal to 90. A is to B are 2:3. A is to B are in the ratio 2:3. So, 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, A is equal to, what is A? Out of 5 it is 2. Out of 90 how much? 5 ones are 5, 5 18s are 90, 36. And what is B? Out of 5 it is 3. Out of 90 how much? 5 ones are 5, 18s, 3s are 54. Let us verify whether it is correct. 54 plus 36 is 90. Understand? Now what is this C? C is nothing but vertically opposite angle of this 90 plus A, right? Angle C is equal to 90 plus A. Why? What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. See, this C is equal to this. So how much? 90 plus what is 36? 126. So C is equal to 126. Did you all understand? See, whenever this is 90, this is 90. A is to B is 2:3. Out of 5 it is 2. Out of 90. Out of 5 it is 3. Out of 90 how much? So thus we found out 36 and 54. After that C is equal to 90 plus A. That's what we have done. I hope you understood. Let us move on to the next problem. Our second question is like this. PQR is equal to PRQ. In the figure, PQR is equal to PRQ. Prove that PQS is equal to PRT. Look at this PQS. What type of angle? This is the exterior angle. So what is the property? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. This is also an exterior angle. It is the sum of the opposite interior angles. Did you get my hint? Yes. See, angle. So what I want to prove? PQS is equal to PRT. Let us see what is angle PRT. So solution, right? PQR is equal to PRQ. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So, angle PRT is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Angle PRT is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. And angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle QPR. Look at this. PRT is equal to PQR plus QPR. PQS is equal to PRQ plus QPR. Both are added to QPR, but PQR is equal to PRQ. So these two sides are equal. Therefore, PRT is equal to PQS. P PRT is equal to PQS. Why this is? We can write on PQR. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Interior angles. This is the reason. In geometry always you have to give the reason why you have written like this. See, PQR is equal to PRQ. These two are equal. This one is also there present in both. So, this is one is equal to this. Therefore, PRT is equal to PQS. Did you all understand? So, we proved PRT is equal to PQS. Let us move on to the next one. Our next question is fourth question in the exercise. If x plus y is equal to w plus z, where is x? See, AB is given like this. CD is given like this. This is x, this is y. Z and w. What are they given? X plus y is equal to z plus w. You have to prove that AOB is a straight line. So what can I do? You know, at a point, the sum of all the angles is 360. So I write down x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360. So x plus y, it is equal to z plus w, isn't it? So I write down plus x plus y is equal to 360. So you get 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. 2 is common, take out. X plus y is equal to 360. So x plus y is equal to 360 divided by 2. How much? 180. So x plus y is 180. What is the meaning of x plus y is 180? Then BOA is a straight line because linear pair. Whenever this is equal to this side is also 180. So I hope you understood. X plus y is equal to z plus w. Instead of x plus y plus z plus w, I put x plus y plus x plus y is 360. Why? When you go one round, the total is 360. So you got 180. So x plus y is equal to 180 means AOB is a straight line. Let us move on to the next problem. Our next problem given is POQ is a straight line. OR is perpendicular to the line. So this is 90. When this is 90, this is also 90. Am I right? PQ, a line PQ. OS is another ray, line between, what is that? OP and OR. Prove that ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. So ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. What can we do? Okay, let me start. I write down angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180. What is POR? I write down angle POS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180. Every time you see what I want ROS. SOR, let me write on ROS only. I want ROS. Am I right? That I don't touch. So I write down angle ROS is equal to 180 minus angle POS minus angle ROQ. Right? So angle ROS is equal to, what is 180 minus POS? 180 minus POS is SOQ or angle QOS minus angle ROQ. Am I right? So I got ROS, I got QOS, I got. Now ROQ is there, I have to do POS. Am I right? So angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus what is ROQ? ROQ is 90. Right? So I can write down angle, I continue here, angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus, this is also 90, this is also 90. I write down POS plus S1 plus S1. So, angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus POS minus ROS. I take ROS this side, ROS plus ROS, you get 2 ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. So, angle ROS is equal to 2, you bring this side, 1 by 2 into angle, I have this. So, you get 2 times ROS is equal to QOS minus, see this one I brought this side. So, angle ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. I hope you understood. Is it the answer I wanted? ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. So, we got the answer. So, what did I do? I used the same thing and some arrangement I did. That's all. POS plus SOR plus RO, Q is equal to 180. Then I interchange something. My aim is always what I want to prove. Accordingly, I have to proceed that side. So, I hope you understood. Today's question is like this. Angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to P. So, XY is produced to P. Draw a figure from the given information. If a ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, so YQ bisects angle ZYP. So, this is equal to this. Find XYQ. Where is XYQ? XYQ is equal to how much? And XYQ is equal to how much? And reflects QYP is equal to how much? So let me rub this. From the given information, angle XYZ is 64. Therefore, angle PYZ is equal to 180 minus 64. How much? 180 minus 64 is 160 degree. Right? Therefore, angle PYQ is equal to angle QYZ is equal to 116 divided by 2 is equal to 58 because it is a bisector. Right? So, this is, you got 58 and this is also 58. Let us verify again. 116 plus 64 is 180, correct? Now, what have they asked? XYQ is equal to how much? Therefore, angle XYQ is equal to 64 plus 58 is equal to 122. Is it? 110, 122. Now what is the next one? Reflex QYP. QYP is 58. Reflex is 360 minus 58. So reflex QYP is equal to 360 minus 58. How much? 302 degree. So this is the simple way you have to solve. So if you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe it. Thank you very much.